PandaDoc is an online solution for managing the document workflow of any business that allows you to create, fill out, sign, and track important documents. In addition to its ability to create and share documents, PandaDoc also enables users to sign everything from contracts to proposals with e-signatures. Whether you want to create custom proposals or edit one of their ready-made templates, PandaDoc gives you all the tools that you may need. If you're looking to fast-track your business's proposal creation process and close deals more effectively and quickly, getting started with this tool is the first step. By clicking on the Start Free Trial button on their homepage, you will be redirected to the next step in the registration process, where you will need to input your contact information. After doing this, you will be taken to the dashboard where all the magic happens. When it comes to the different features that this tool offers, there's a lot to discuss. In addition to e-signatures, templates, custom fields, approval workflows, and more, PandaDoc provides plenty of other features that make proposal development a snap. PandaDoc's document editor offers a simple way to create professional, on-brand, and persuasive business documents and proposals. In addition to pre-designed templates, PandaDoc also allows its users to create a variety of different documents from scratch, such as proposals, quotes, contracts, forms, and other payment documents. Other than that, PandaDoc is also famous for its simple and completely free e-signature process. Using it, you can also create and collect digitally signed documents quickly and more easily, eliminating the need to print, fax, scan, and overnight documents. This tool allows you to collect and manage legally binding agreements on your laptop or even smartphone from anywhere that has an internet connection. Another great thing about PandaDoc is that with it, you don't need to manually follow up with each recipient after sending an important document. PandaDoc automatically tracks their actions on the document by giving you an analytics report on the recipient's behavior. When it comes to integrations, PandaDoc offers a wide range of those, allowing you to save a great deal of time and effort when you create documents that need data from other systems. In addition to that, PandaDoc also has an Android and iOS app that lets you access all of your documents while on the go. Now that you're familiar with most of its features, let's take a look at its pricing. There are 4 different pricing options available for PandaDoc, all of which can be paid through a monthly or an annual plan. The free e-sign plan allows unlimited documents, e-signatures, and payment processing, making it ideal for small businesses that need basic proposal management. The other 3 paid plans offer more bells and whistles, letting you save time, money, and frustration when handling proposals. In the end, it's safe to say that PandaDoc is an incredibly versatile document management software that automates most of the time-consuming aspects of proposal creation. With an intuitive user interface and affordable pricing plans, PandaDoc offers a well-rounded experience for both new and battle-hardened users. Read our PandaDoc review from the link in the description for more detail on the good and bad aspects of this tool and decide for yourself whether it's a good fit for your business or not.